Artificial intelligence is now transforming India's IT industry faster than many people expected. And one question is suddenly creating fear across the tech workforce. Will AI replace traditional software jobs? India's IT sector is witnessing a major hiring shift. For years, large companies depended heavily on mass hiring and traditional employee bench systems. Fresh graduates were recruited in huge numbers, trained, and later deployed into projects gradually. But now, that model is changing rapidly. Why? Because companies increasingly want fewer employees, but more specialized AI-ready talent. According to recent industry discussions, many firms are now prioritizing professionals skilled in artificial intelligence, machine learning, cloud computing, cybersecurity, and data engineering. And naturally, this is creating anxiety among students and IT employees. Because campus hiring has reportedly slowed in several areas. Routine coding work is increasingly being automated, and companies now prefer professionals who can work directly with AI systems, automation tools, and advanced digital infrastructure. That immediately triggered massive online debate. Is AI killing software jobs? Will freshers struggle to get jobs? Are coding careers becoming unsafe? Because India's IT industry supports millions of livelihoods, and even small changes in hiring patterns create nationwide concern. And if you enjoy futuristic technology explainers and powerful current affairs like this, your one like, one share, and one subscribe genuinely motivates us to continue creating premium quality informative videos every single day. What makes this transformation especially important is the speed of AI development itself. Just a few years ago, AI tools were considered experimental. Today, they can already write code, analyze data, automate workflows, generate reports, and assist in software development. That means companies are restructuring workforce strategies around automation efficiency. Experts say the biggest risk may affect repetitive and routine technical work first. But at the same time, many specialists believe AI will also create entirely new categories of jobs. Especially for professionals skilled in AI operations, prompt engineering, cybersecurity, cloud systems, and intelligent automation. That is why experts increasingly repeat one important message. The future may not belong to people competing against AI. It may belong to people who learn how to work alongside AI effectively. The larger reality is becoming increasingly clear. India's IT revolution is entering a completely new phase, and the definition of a valuable tech employee is changing rapidly. Because in the AI era, technical survival may depend not only on coding knowledge alone, but on adaptability, continuous learning, and understanding how intelligent systems are reshaping the future of work itself. Stay informed, stay future ready, and follow for more powerful current affairs breakdowns every day.